said I was wrong and I didn't have the right. Well, there I was in a state of confusion, to figure it out, is it just a delusion? I grabbed the chain and I headed out to walk the dog. When I got back, she was cooking up a pot of stew. I said it smells good, she said that all it needs is you. She was at the boiling point, I knew I'd better leave this joint. Grabbed the chain and I headed out to walk the dog. Why, baby, why are you acting like a hurricane? Try, baby, try not to be so insane. I spent the whole next day trying not to lose my mind. So I'll blow off steam and I'll head out and walk the dog. Well, she could be right, but then she could be wrong. Whatever I did, I made her come on strong. Well, I guess I should have stayed in bed. She said I didn't use my head. Get the chain, I'll head out and walk the dog. Acting like a hurricane. Try, baby, try not to look so insane. I spent the whole next day trying not to lose my mind. So I'll blow off steam and I'll head out and walk the dog. I'll be walking the dog. I'll be walking the dog.